What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. By the title of this video, you can tell we are going to be working on the DC5, which I have right here. He is in the backyard, and I gotta go meet up Steve. Excuse me. I gotta go meet up Steve because Steve has a hazardous switch, or whatever you want to call it, the red hazard switch. Dear Lord, oh, let me get in here. I'm getting too old to get in this car, for real. Steve has a hazard switch. Let me show you which one it is. In red, which is this one right here. We're going to be replacing it, and I gotta meet him up to go pick it up. So come along and let's start this little vlog. I'm trying to find something I gotta give him and I can't find it. But anyways, just a quick little thing to tell you guys. I want to appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in to the channel. It is 5,560 something. Who's counting, right? But anyways, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in and for being here and supporting the channel. Hope you guys are liking the Monday review, where I am switching not switching, I'm just adding other cars other than JDM cars into the Monday review. And your boy is hopefully gonna grind 2021 as much as I can. Really want to grow the channel. My goal for this year 2021 is to break 10,000 in the channel, so we're trying to add another 4,000 and change to the channel. But the grind doesn't stop. We keep recording videos. I also want to give a huge shout out to Super Clean for sending me out their package, little care package that they sent me out. The greaser, wheel cleaner, amazing product. I love it. Shout out to Acuity. Love Acuity for being one of the sponsors in the channel, or collabing with me in the channel. Just kind of giving a whole thanks to everybody who's collaborating in the channel, who's working with me in the channel. Goals for 2021 is also to paint this. It's also to paint this car. People do tell me all the time, "Oh, your car is so clean." My car is clean, but when you get up close to it, not that clean. At least not how I want it. Look at the clear coat right here. I mean, look at the clear coat right here. See that? I don't know if you could even see it because there's a lot of lighting. Anyways, nonetheless, let's go pick up the hazard switch in red. Come along. Let me get in the car before I freaking melt out here. I'll see you guys now. If you guys remember, I have a giveaway going on where I'm giving away an Acuity, or Acuity, however you want to say it. Maybe I'm saying it the Cuban way, the Acuity or Acuity, whatever. Instrument shift collar boot. Basically, the shift collar boot. You guys seen my video. I actually leave a card somewhere up here where you guys can see the video. Just click on the link on the card up there and you can see the video. It's where I'm installing the shift collar boot, and basically it's in order for the shift boot not to hang, and the stick for the shifter kind of exposes it. You'll see the video. What I'm talking about is basically the shift boot. It's tight with the shift knob, and it's not hanging, and it's not loose, and everything is just looking nice. And I'm giving away one of those. All you have to do is go into the EG hatch video, the review that I did with Kuruma Imports on the Monday series, the VTI hatch. All you have to do is go on that video. I will leave a link in the description below of that video. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, go in that video, and comment done. If you want to follow me on Instagram, that's also going to give you a plus to enter the giveaway. Once we break 6,000 subscribers, we will be doing the giveaway. All you have to do is just comment done on the EG video, the VTI video, EG hatch VTI video, and subscribe to the channel. We're almost there. Actually, I'm sorry, not 6,000, 5,700. Once we break 5,700, I'll do a giveaway, and I'll give it away, and I'll actually add some stickers from the apparel, from the Legend Vibes. Remember, the store is up, the apparel is there. If you guys want to log in, I will also have a link there if you want to support the channel or support what I'm doing. legendvibes.bigcartel.com. Link is in the description below, and you guys can go check out some of the apparel. Let's go meet up Steve, and let me stop talking because I hate ranting. I love doing more work and filming than talking. So I'll see you guys. All right, boys, we got it. We have it here. It is an OEM hazard switch for the RSX DC5. I think the EP3 comes with this one in red too, the Type R for sure. So we're gonna be replacing this one here, the one that I have, with that one in red. Figure I'd bring you guys a little bit of content. It's funny because I did a little Q&A the other day or whatever, and a few people were like answering it or whatever. So maybe it's something cool that I could answer a few questions that people were like asking me, like, where am I from? You know, a lot of people think I'm Puerto Rican. I'm not Puerto Rican. I'm Cuban. Love my Puerto Rican brothers. Shout outs to you guys. I'm Cuban. How old I am? I'm 35. It's funny because they were asking me like a few like personal questions or whatever. I mean, I don't get into personal. This channel will never be a personal channel. I think one of the questions too was telling me like, how many kids do you have or whatever, and I was like, I don't have any kids. But even if I did, like, that's something that I wouldn't be sharing in this on the channel. I think there needs to be like a limit to what you're gonna share and what you're not gonna share. This is an automotive channel, and that's kind of where I want to keep it. But they also asked me if I was gonna do an apartment tour. I'll definitely do an apartment tour. It's not the biggest thing ever, but I'll definitely do an apartment tour. I'm gonna be using the Acuity or Acuity trim removal pieces. I have them both here. I'm using these two only in order to remove the radio and switch out the button. It has two little screws. There's two little screws right here. You can see them on top, one on the bottom, one on the top, and we're gonna put it on just to give it a little bit of different accent, because my horn button for the quick release is also red. So let me put you guys on a time lapse and let's continue. Wow, that was harder than I thought. So, comes to find out that the radio is actually on a faceplate. I didn't know that. I guess I really haven't done my research much. Boss, of course, Acura Radio OEM. Everyone knows that. But it is a face. If you look at it from the back, it is a face. So the switch that we're switching is that one right there. And it's so weird that Acura just made this like this, like the hazard switch is integrated into it. Like, it's whatever. It is what it is. We're gonna put the red one. It's gonna look very nice. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So I was able to pull it forward, and then the plug is right here. Hopefully when I put it back in, it does not become a pain in the behind. I hate moving this around. Like, I hate this rubber piece right here. I hate putting pressure into this. Like, I really hate it. I don't know, it feels like it's gonna break apart, but nonetheless, I got the switch here. Let's go ahead and put it on. Just gotta remove the switch on this side. That's about it. Jesus, I still can't get over how much of a pain in the butt this freaking radio was to take off. Dear Lord, I pray for me, guys. Hopefully when I put it back, it's not as bad. And that, my friends, is your hazard button. I'm like so out of it right now. Like, it's that thing to take out this radio was a pretty pain in the butt. So I told you guys to stick around to the end of the video, and it wasn't like a little surprise or wasn't anything big. It's just that I want to always let you guys in on info, things that I discovered as I built these cars, and things that you guys probably know, and you're probably gonna see it and you're gonna be like, oh, who didn't know this? Like, there's just little things that, you know, and excuse me because I have the AC on because it was getting hot in here. Like I said, just little things that I find out and I search for, and little things that will definitely help in your build. and one of them is this right here. If you guys don't know, for the ones that know, then obviously this is just a whatever, but if you guys don't know, this is a Shinichi grease. Basically, the Shinichi grease is, I think, to me, it's kind of like a multi-purpose grease for like when it comes to interior for the cars. This is kind of how it looks. It's just like a green, whatever, green and white paste. So basically, let me show you guys, and I'm gonna go outside of the car so I can show you guys. Let me turn it off, and we'll get outside and you guys can see. I'll show you what it does, because I think if you're building a car and you're doing something and you want to preserve the car, this is kind of, you could do this. So basically, the Shinichi grease, I don't know if it's called Shinichi, or I mean if it's pronounced Shinichi. Basically, what I did was, you can use it for your moldings. So I used it for all my moldings. I put it on my moldings, like I just kind of put it in my finger, and just this one's brand new. Just kind of went over it, you know, over here too, here on the top. This car gets so dirty. I literally washed this car, and look at this. This is crazy. So I used it in all the moldings. I used it here, and that kind of preserves your molding from going bad. I also spoke to the people at the Acura dealer, and supposedly was used to like for quarter panel windows. When you're gonna put it on, they kind of slide in, but you could probably see a little bit of residue there. Yeah, you can see it there. I used it for that and to keep them fresh, and I used it here to keep it all fresh. So that's kind of like a little, I wouldn't say like an Easter egg or whatever for you guys, but it's just like something, a little bit more information for the ones that didn't know. So that's pretty much it. That's your hazard button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to subscribe. Remember to hit the thumbs up. We're trying to get to 10,000 this year. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for tuning in. Remember, the Monday series uploads on Monday. Wednesday, we're doing videos for the DC5, like product installs or whatever I got to do, mods or whatever for the DC5. And then Friday, we're doing product reviews. But this video will most likely be uploaded on Thursday, just because I haven't uploaded anything for the DC5. Anyways, nonetheless, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.